Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today I am again on Bitcoin because Bitcoin actually did something from our last video 2 days ago. But before we delve into that, I want to tell you guys, please do subscribe to our channel if you wish to see more analysis on Bitcoin or any other altcoins. And if you want to see analysis on any coin, post in the comments down below and we will do them, right? If they're actually interesting enough and liquid enough, right? But yeah, so going back to BTC, yeah, I know we did video for BTC 2 days ago, right? Saying that we kind of did get to this area, but then drop back down, and we kind of then notified that holding this is still fine and it can still continue, and continue did. It gave us a good scare, right? Because it came really close to screwing it up basically, but now we are actually turning it around and going back up again, right? So the first thing right now, as you might have seen, that we already rejected this point, right? We already rejected this point, and this is actually a, if you're going this, and let's just say for a fact, if you got a structure like this, right, you continue on it, you always hold this midpoint, right? As you can see, as always, when you kind of regain this midpoint, you went to test the highs, right? And then you came back down, you hold the midpoint again, and then this time you tested the highs, but you finally broke it, right? So it was like third test, broke it, right? So now when you break a structure like this, and when you have a structure like this, which is actually quite a strong structure, you don't want to be stopping at the first possible resistance, right? And what you did right now is you are stopping at the first possible resistance, which is not in the most cases the most bullish part. But I'm also not going to say it's the most bearish, right? Definitely cannot call this current situation bearish, but it's not the most bullish. So again, we gotta be a little bit careful. I don't know why is it such a big issue getting into the volume at lately, but it just is, right? That is how the current markets flow. Well, the part of the reason why I'm talking about this, because Ethereum right now looks a lot worse than Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin kind of looks adoptable, right? I mean, it kind of looks like it's gonna continue with somewhere. But with Bitcoin right now, frankly, I wouldn't be surprised if we go back, if we actually go back down here, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we return down here. And we already did, we already have one all long positions waiting for it right here, and wait, actually it's a little bit under, but I'm actually not going to be surprised if this actually gets hit, right? Because we already debated that after this happened, we're probably going to get bits on it, but how weak it is on Bitcoin, and from the position that it's currently, bouncing off, I'm gonna say call this possibility of this trade still being hit. So this time around, so yeah, I'll record it, because this one was originally only placed in channel. Didn't want to do a video about it because I thought it was a bit too late, but now I will do it anyways, right? I will do the video anyways. So yes, the position would be filled around here with the stop loss under here, because yes, as you might, oops, a little bit here, yeah, because as you might have guessed it, I don't want to go to this midpoint anymore, right? We held it so many times, we broke above, we move above, now we definitely don't want to be going back down again. And as you can see, it's only 2% stop, about $200, right? And the first profit target, as you guessed it, is gonna be on this high, because we do not know if it's gonna continue it. In good faith, I do hope it continues, but we don't know yet, right? So the second profit target is then gonna be located all the way to up 11,200, which is basically the main resistance which we have to break. And if we break that with a nice clean break all above this, then we are going to be, oh, Jesus, why is it? And then we are going to be seeing price heading towards a new high, or should I say the previous high, and testing it and then seeing if it's gonna break for the new high. As BTC stands right now, like I said, I don't like this rejection too much, so, but this rejection actually now gives us chance to fill it up. So I wouldn't be surprised if this fill happens, but I also wouldn't be surprised if this fill doesn't happen, right? Basically, what we want to be seeing right now, without this fill, this just continuates all the way to up here, right? So if this case happens, we do get missed on a long, and I don't have a secondary long in this case, because what Bitcoin is doing right now, it's testing every level as it goes up, and I'm not going to chase it in this moment because there will be better spots to take trades. One of the thing is, if I now challenge it and try to catch long as hard as possible, right, what is gonna happen, I'm mostly gonna get wicked out, and then it's gonna go my way anyways, right? Because right now, as you can see, it's pretty volatile. The only thing I'm still keeping this long on, though, I'm gonna also say, I mean, not the only thing, it's one of the reasons, because Ethereum looks absolutely terrible against Bitcoin right now. Ethereum actually is falling behind the bell at the moment, right? It used to be a charging leader, and I guess it was a charging leader because of DeFi and farms, but now it's actually falling behind Bitcoin, right? So yeah, we will be doing this trade. We'll be waiting for Bitcoin if it's gonna test the upside of this area. So far, nice reactions. Definitely glad it recovered from that, and let's see where the price is gonna head next, right? And of course, guys, join us at 4C community channels where we post some of these trades, like trades marked right here. So you guys can copy it, you guys can do whatever with it. We show you how to move stop losses, we talk about trades, all of that. And also, again, subscribe to our channel, like this video, right? And we'll be seeing each other in the next one.